How's everybody doing? I'm so happy to be here, tell you all about Ballot AI. This is the project I've been dreaming of as a professional petitioner my whole life to end all fraud, all corruption in the industry. And we are this close to launching. I already have the MVP models of 3 amazing softwares practically at my disposal. My devs are taking their time. We are so close. It's all being launched all right now, but I have to make the video to let you know Ballot.finance is working. The Ballot AI token is there. This token gives you ownership democratically of the software's use. And there's special benefits for the NFT buyers that are so much beyond the cost that they are charging for a lifetime of services at the net cost possible. Essentially, we are going to give the highest rewards to the NFT buyers because that's direct capital we can use, I can use to build out the project, create lasting assets in Ethereum in this case, and other cryptocurrencies for the cross-chain bridging that we will develop to bring cryptos from all over, from people from all over, to take root in their communities, get people access to their favorite cryptocurrencies, and changing law. All kinds of blockchains can participate. You can vote on the blockchain. You can be part of a decentralized autonomous organization, allowing you to decide how capital is deployed to get people interested in the policy you want. That's what Ballot.finance is going to open up, where you have a project that will operate like Pump Fund, but the tokens launched will be essentially those decided by others in the DAO with the ethic, which is not to violate the non-aggression principle. For people that don't know about Pump Fund, it is a Solana-based token launch system, all fair launch. All kinds of crazy cryptos are launched there, meme coins usually, but it is a fair launch system allowing anyone to launch a token when they want to. We'll have essentially the same model, but we're going to be focusing on policy. We're going to want to have the policy drafted. So I'll be doing demonstrations teaching people how to write policy, draft it, share it with the community, let people vote on what laws we want to change, and create our international foundation for policy change, our token for acknowledgement, education about the policy needs of the people, so that we can gain traction anywhere we have supporters and token owners. They'll have full access to our tools. Our tools include open education for people's ballot rights, so they know exactly how and where and when to file a ballot measure to make change in their communities. And the time has come where we will embrace our constitutional freedoms and liberty to be the ones directly changing our future and take action. The tokenization is part of the ownership of the AI. It gives a value for administrative purposes to liquidate a portion to pay back all of the tens of thousands invested, okay? That's the thing. But we have to get to a certain market cap. I'm not going to just dump on you. They're going to go into the same contracts everybody else stakes in. So I'll be transparent with a lock, with an unlock period. And that's that. We're going to have a way that we can grow the community with faith that things are going to happen because it will be on the blockchain instead of having to rely and trust. Everyone can verify the smart contracts work, and the money will be dispersed as deployed. The core foundation I realized is that Bitcoin correlates with the elections. Right after the election, Bitcoin has a parabolic move. If you're watching this now, it's before the election. Strongly invest. Do not take advice financially from some random YouTuber. However, do your research about Bitcoin, because you will see that it is the case. This is a songbird that's already sung its song before, and it's going to sing again. It's going to be like clockwork, like every other time. It's just mathematically sequenced into the flow. Since it correlates with elections, it makes perfect sense to deploy the next season of ballot measures from the Bitcoin moves that people could invest in now. Bitcoin-backed ballot measures would be the rage every single halving, as we could have absolute experience with contracts this season, deploying our AR software with the direct database from the state, knowing that validity was done in seconds. We can transact thousands in seconds. This has been talked about with my favorite dev who inspires me. I have another dev that takes his time, but he is nonetheless appreciated because he is the one building and getting things done. All devs are important. But you know what? This is a time it's got to happen now. And the devs are about to release it. We know this. I have working models. I have the MVP I can show off. I downloaded it to my computer, running it from code because it wasn't deployed. Everything has a cost. Please, won't you be a part of this? Be a part of this experience. Deploy your capital in creating the future of direct democracy with me. Buy an NFT. Let's help us both discuss the best use of that money as part of our DAO, which should be opening very soon. The money's being paid off to a fully competent developer who's already developed the staking dApp, Ballot.finance. You can find out more at Ballot.ai. Thanks a lot for being here. Talk to you soon.